Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you will enjoy watching this video. I hope you will stick around and subscribe to my channel. Today I am gonna be organizing two of my bathroom vanity drawers. One will be for makeup and one for my jewelry. Those two drawers were actually empty, but when I did my office desk organization video, that used to be my beauty table, I actually took out all my makeup and all my jewelry out of it and just stuck it into these two drawers. And it's been like that ever since. And now it's time to clean them out, to organize it, throw away all the makeup that I'm not using anymore, and just make it look nice and functional. So I really hope you will enjoy watching this video. I'm super excited for this because it was bothering me that is such a messy place, and I use makeup daily, so it really needs to be organized. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. It shows me that you like this type of content. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It will mean the world to me. Okay, let's get started. So this is my makeup drawer. As you can see, everything is all over the place. And then over here it's my jewelry drawer, and really it's just packed with things. So I'm just gonna take everything out on a counter to be able to clean the drawer out, and then start deciding what I'm gonna keep and start sorting things out.
Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same. Now that we dancing, taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
So over here I'm just trying to sort things by category. I'm trying to clean everything because some of the makeup was broken. My daughter got into it and she broke a few bronzers. And just putting away what I'm gonna get rid of that's expired or maybe broken or almost empty. It looks like I have a lot of makeup, and I don't really use so much makeup. I do put a makeup on every day, but not a lot. I just use basic things. Over here I have duplicates of a lot of things, and some of them are half empty. So when I use them up, I'm gonna throw it out, and then I'm gonna be left with just a little bit of makeup. I already had a few of these organizers on hand, so I'm gonna repurpose them and see what is gonna fit. And you see over here, I'm moving things around. I'm trying to make it all fit and try to find the best way to sort things by category. So here it is. Over here in the first organizer, I have a few of my palettes. And then I have on the side some eye makeup, eye pencils, and mascaras. Then I have my beauty blender that needs to be cleaned. In this little basket, I have foundations and concealers and BB creams. This is my favorite foundation, and it's full coverage. It's awesome. And this is my favorite primer. In this little organizer, I have lip pencils and lip glosses and lipsticks. And then over here on the side, I have bronzers and setting powders, blushes and stuff like that. And on the side, some sharpeners, some eyebrow product, and some eyelashes. In these little containers, I have some extra makeup, some extra eyeshadows and foundations for traveling. And all this is the makeup that I'm gonna get rid of that's either damaged or old. Okay, so I am done with one drawer. I could not finish my jewelry drawer. Actually, I didn't even start it. I just finished my makeup drawer. My daughter woke up from her nap because most of these kind of things I can do only while she's napping, because otherwise things will be everywhere. You know how it is when you have a toddler in a house. But I will be making another video, which will be part 2, and I'll show you how I organized my jewelry drawer. So stay tuned, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Stick around, click that red subscribe button, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys.